Hello everyone, I'm Lupi Liu, Chief Analyst of EETimes China, reporting from Bourns Booth at Electronics Shanghai 2025. First, let's welcome Mr. James Harrington and Mr. Xuhan Yang.
Thank you. It's very nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
Now, with the global trend of automotive electrification, Industrial 4.0, and data center growth, how do you see the demand for circuit protection and magnetic components evolving in Asia Pacific, especially in China? Versus the local competitors to catch up, what strategies will Bourns leverage to maintain market leadership here?
I think when you look from the very beginning of the electrification and really even the adding electronic content to the automotive cars, started with ICE car, and now with the electric vehicles in the last 10 to 15 years, Bourns products have high efficiency, they have high power density, from our standard inductors into our custom magnetic products. So as cars need more efficiency to get more energy transfer, these are perfect products for Bourns. And on top of that, you need good circuit protection to protect the circuits inside the vehicles. And that's where our products are very well fit. And if you look in the China market, Mr. Xu will talk a little bit about how that is for us in China.
Yeah, so of course, definitely China is a very important market for us. We have a lot of business here. As the EV market is booming, we have getting a lot of success working directly with our OEMs. And we also have several manufacturing sites located inside China. So definitely China is a very important region for Bourns. And we are looking to continue to do the investment with the local R&D. We're continuing to invest production line. We have several other product lines looking at adding additional production line here inside China to support local customers. So as the EV continue to evolve, more requirement, higher power efficiency, more protection is being needed. So we continue to see the market continue to grow, and the demand for, of course, for the circuit protection and magnetic will continue to increase as well.
Next, let's welcome Jennifer. Hi Jennifer, we know Bourns protection components are already critical in EV BMS and industrial automations. So with the new EV technologies emerging, what breakthrough has Bourns made in OCP and OVPs? And how do your protection play a role in the Industrial 4.0 scenarios?
Thank you for your question. Bourns Protection Division is heavily investing in growing the portfolio for high voltage and high current applications, specifically for AC and DC power protection. The end applications that we target range from low power data systems all the way to high power alternative energy systems. The question or the problem we're trying to solve is also with the package. What is the highest power rating we can put in the smallest surface mount package possible is the question we are trying to answer, and that's where our innovation comes into play as well. Bourns Protection Division is also heavily investing in growing the portfolio for automotive AECQ200 applications. The current sensing technology for resistors, we have 0.001 ohms with 1% tolerance. And we also have 800 volt power resistors, specifically for the applications that we mentioned, for energy storage systems, for Industry 4.0, for data center applications, for battery management systems. Those are the high power needs in the market and what our customers need, and we have solutions that provide and address the need for those questions that are in the industry today. In the semiconductor side, which is also a product line within our division, we have developed a silicon carbide diodes. So silicon carbide technology itself enables the questions that give the answers for high temperature, higher frequency, and also higher current capability. So because of the technology and the wide band gap material itself, we are able to provide solutions. Also, we have a power TVS portfolio where the current ratings can go up to 20 kiloamps. In the varistor side, we have a portfolio called as EdgeMorph. This came into play with a breakthrough isomorph hybrid performer. The isomorph protector is a MOV and also a low loss GDT combined together. So with this innovative products and technology and the process technology we are investing in, we are able to address the needs of the customers. For the fuses side, we have plus 1000 volts which is a critical need in the energy storage systems, Industry 4.0, the applications that you mentioned. We also have polymer resettable fuses. We put together various new formulations so we can address the same questions of what's a higher current, what's a higher temperature, what's a higher voltage capability that we can provide solutions for. So today in the industry for power protection, both AC and DC power protection, it is very evolving and very demanding needs from the industry and our customers. So we are constantly innovating, investing in package process technology with the overarching need for how do we get higher efficiency with the lowest losses possible. And protection division within Bourns provides you those needs and solutions.
Fascinating to hear how Bourns is driving innovations in protection technology in rapidly evolving sectors. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Now let's transition to another area of Bourns' expertise, magnetic components. So Brian, Bourns has long been recognized for its leadership in the passive components. Could you share how Bourns' magnetic components are helping address key challenges and in modern applications? And what sets Bourns apart from other athletes in this space?
Yeah, Luffy, it's a good question. I think in my 25 years in this industry, I think we're going through probably the most dramatic changes we've seen in many, many years. This drive towards electrification really is all-encompassing of our industry. We see it in AI servers, we see it in electric vehicles, we're seeing it in renewable energies. So the demand that that's placing on us and on our components really is quite intense. So our magnetic components have to evolve dramatically to be able to meet these requirements, where we have to be able to shrink our components. Our components need to be able to handle greater levels of power, need to handle greater levels of voltage. So the demand it's putting on Bourns is tremendous. But I feel that we as a company, with our 75 years of history, are able to step up and meet the requirements of these challenging times by delivering really competitively, technologically competitive solutions at the right price for our customers to help them meet the challenges that they're facing.
Mm-hmm. Well, so how do Bourns' custom magnetic components perform in the real-world applications? And what key capabilities or disadvantages made them stand out in the market?
Well, look, I think when it comes to custom magnetics, the first word in that is very important. It's custom. And custom comes from the word customer. So us having a very strong relationship with our customers really is important, where we have to deliver very high levels of service, where we have to be the first company that our customers think about. And when they come to us, Bourns has to be the one that can provide them with the first technical proposal first. And that means we've got to use the best technology that's out there. We have to use the best multi-physics software to be able to simulate the performance, so that when we design a product, we know it's going to work first time. When we make the samples, it's going to work first time for our customers. So that really helps shorten the design cycles of our customers so that they can go to production as quickly as possible with a product that they know is going to work first time.
Thank you, Brian, for shedding light on Bourns' magnetic capabilities and customers' strengths.
Thank you, Luffy. Lovely to talk to you.
Thank you. Let's shift to the focus to innovation and the exhibition floor. 好，那我们现在来看一下 Bourns 在这次的幕展上给我们带来哪些新的产品和新的技术。嗨，艾迪。
你好，你好。
那我们今天展出了非常多的产品啊，我们也看到了。您觉得这些产品中哪些技术是能够重新定义我们的保护器件或者说传感器市场的？另外呢，能否给我们介绍一下我们展会现场的这些产品新鲜技术里面，哪些技术会去实际解决客户的一些痛点？
好的，好的。这边正好想给大家介绍一下我们比较创新的一颗叫 ISO-MOV 的这样的一个组合型的保护器件。保护什么东西呢？是一颗过压保护的器件。然后的话，这边那个 ISO 这3个字大家有没有看到？就这个主要是什么？是 isolation 的一个缩写。那顾名思义，这颗保护器件它是一个什么？带隔离功能的一个压敏电阻 ISO-MOV isolation 的这样的一个 MOV。 OK， 那我们为什么会去定义和开发了这样一个创新的这样的一个产品呢？这个就是会，涉及到一个市场上面的一个痛点，或者说压敏电阻这个产品的一个痛点。是这样的，大家如果去用过压敏电阻，你们去看过规格书的话，你会发现就是压敏电阻啊，它是并在高压和低压两端做这样的一个过压保护的。那我并在电压两端，也就意味着我的压敏电阻两端会产生一个比较大的一个耐压。那这样的耐压会产生什么问题啊？产生一个漏电流的问题。大家打开规格书里面能看到的一个漏电流的一个指南，多大呢？1毫安。那我们说大不大，但是如果是涉及到安规领域的话，1毫安是一个很大的一个漏电流的一个指南。好，然后的话，因为压敏电阻它是持续加在电压两端的，我的漏电流会持续产生。那持续的漏电流会进一步加剧它的一个发热，发热呢又会进一步的加剧它的漏电流。那长此以往的话，我们把这种现象叫做一个正反馈的一个现象。那时间长了，我压敏电阻会越来越烫，电流会越来越大，那造成这样的一个老化的问题。那老化了之后带来一个什么问题啊？一个浪涌打过来，我压敏电阻直接炸掉。这是所有压敏电阻厂商的一个通病，包括我们也是。所以我们开发了这个 ISOMOV 的这个带隔离的这样的一个压敏电阻。那大家可以看到，就是里面的这样的一个结构啊，我们是用2颗压敏电阻的一个 element， 我们把它一批为2。当中塞一个什么东西呢？塞一个伯恩斯也是有专利的一颗扁平化的气体放电管。那大家知道，就气体放电管什么东西啊？就是说它在击穿电压之前，它里面灌的是惰性气体，它是不会有漏电流产生的，是不是？那这个时候是不是也就意味着我的电压两端我不会直接加到压敏电阻两端？因为低压的时候它有气体放电管把它隔开了，像个开关一样的。通过这种方式，我们是从根本意义上、根本的一个，我们能解决它一个漏电流的问题，是这样的一个结构。那同时大家可以看到这样的一个结构啊，就是说气体放电管它的外壁是什么？是一个绝缘结构，绝缘的一个材料，什么的材料？2氧化硅，也就意味着就是，我这边就是压敏电阻本身流的一个电流是在两边嘛。我的两边正好是用气体放电管的这样的一个绝缘结构把它隔开，我强制让漏电流全部从那个当中走，也就意味着我这颗 ISOMOV 它的整个的一个通流的一个密度是更加平均。那在保证漏电流的同时的话，我在它的那个就是它的一个浪涌电流这一块的话，它的通流密度可以做得更大，我的浪涌电流也可以承受更多发，大概是这样的一个背景的一个介绍。对。
看起来非常不错，等会我们一定要去展位上现场看一下。
OK，
那非常感谢 Eddie 给我们非常详尽的一个解释。
好的，谢谢。
Well, it's been a pleasure to discussing marketing, technology, and product technology with the Bourns leadership today. Stay tuned to EETimes China for more updates. Thank you. Goodbye.